Kanye West once said, "Keep a diary and one day it'll keep it." When I first started writing consistently, having a journal for the sole purpose of a future keepsake was my greatest motivation. But 400 pages later, I can tell you that writing can do a whole lot more for you than allow you to revisit your past. With writing, you break the silence, become more creative, and truly understand who you are and who you want to be. How many times have you wanted to scream at someone for how angry they made you, cry for the passing of a loved one, or even just be given the chance to express how grateful you are for an unexpected happening in your life? Yet, like most, you probably held back, scared for the reactions of others, or else you just didn't take the time to reflect how you felt. This is why writing can be a simple lifesaver. It allows you to be self-expressive. And the best part about writing is that it's yours. You get to create whatever arrangement of words you want, with no obligation to share them or make corrections. It's just you in the most vulnerable way you know how to be. So don't have a time setting or a set number of pages. It should be something you have to do. It should be something you want to do. And it doesn't have to be a journal. It can be poetry, song lyrics, raps, letters, or even simple phrases or quotes. Anything that gives you enough of release to make you feel like you can talk how you feel. And I know what you might be thinking. Maybe coming home after school every day or after work is really difficult to just be able to put words on paper, and it was really hard for me for a while too. But it doesn't have to be anything special. It can just be whatever it is to you. The most beneficial thing about writing is that you get to watch yourself grow. You get to see how people and events in your life change you, and it also helps you change who you are as a person. You get to make the change. You get to set the goals, and you get to watch yourself achieve them. And you'll be surprised how many times you wake up just waiting to find something to write about. For 4 years, I've collected pictures, ticket stubs from my favorite countries, cross-country medals, and even a prom dress I'll never wear again. But I know writing is the most valuable thing that I have. My writing is permanent. When I put my thoughts on paper, it's there forever, and it can be relived as many times as I want it to be. It doesn't matter if I read what I wrote tomorrow or 20 years down the road, and I can see how much I've changed. It doesn't even matter if I'm dead or alive. Once my thoughts are there, they're there forever. So pick up a pen and write your story, because even if you're the only person who ever gets to read it, it's important that it's heard.